Hindi sila nagkakalayo. Kahit na Smash from 15, tapos ito ay RS125. Sa Smash, 51mm. Pagdating dito sa RS125 is 52.4mm. Ang difference lang nila is 1.4mm. 1.4mm. At ito yung malaking advantage ng Smash. Sa Smash, weight, may langis, saka may gas na 99 kilograms. Samantalang itong RS125, dry weight 101 kilograms. Wala pang langis at oil yan. At pagdating dito sa horsepower at saka sa torque, hindi rin naman sila nagkakalayo. The higher the torque, the greater the engine's driving force to carry a heavier load of a consistent low speed is your engine's power to help accelerate your bike